What kind of gift should you give to the homebrewer in your life? Well, here's some gift ideas for homebrewers. Let's do it. First up, dual threaded tap handle inserts. For homebrewers who keg rather than bottle their beer, this is kind of a fun way to convert anything you want into a tap handle. The end of a baseball bat, a hockey stick, or just a piece of wood. Just drill a hole in the bottom, put the insert in, and you've got yourself a tap handle. For me, I used old grapevine stalks from a winery. I sanded them down, stained them, and made them into tap handles. It was super easy, cheap, didn't require much skill. It's just kind of a fun project for brewers to take on. Number 2, glassware. Each beer style has its own designated glassware. Instead of pouring all kinds of beer into the same pint glass, why not gift the ideal glassware for their favorite beer style? If they have a favorite brewery, get them a set of glasses from that brewery. Or if they like fancy Belgian ales, as I do, why not get them an assortment of Belgian glassware? It's a fun way to enjoy your favorite beer style in the way that it's intended to be served. Number 3, growlers. Bottles of beer are easy to bring to parties, events, and to give as gifts. But if the brewer in your life has switched to kegging, then having a growler around is a good idea. There are so many different kinds of growlers. Glass, steel, swing top, insulated, pressurized, big, small, medium. It's kind of nice to have more than one growler in more than one size, especially if you have more than one beer on tap. You can probably pick up a branded growler at your local craft brewery, or just order online. Is a stainless steel insulated pressurized growler entirely necessary? Maybe not. Does it make a good gift? Definitely. Number 4, t-shirts. Every craft brewery has their own t-shirts, and I bet homebrewers would love to support their local brewery with a shirt. Also, pretty much every beer YouTube channel has its own t-shirt. Go and check out their merch store, spend 20 or 30 bucks, get a shirt, get a hat, get a hoodie, support local breweries and content creators, and get a fun shirt out of it. Number 5, wooden mash paddle. Brewers have been using wooden paddles for centuries, and they're just cool. It's like when you're gripping a baseball bat, it just makes you want to hit something. When you're gripping a wooden brew paddle, it just makes you want to brew something. I made this one myself, but there are lots of places you can buy one online or at your local homebrew store. Number 6, annual beer software subscription. The brewer in your life might already be using this. They're incredibly useful and do a lot of the heavy lifting when planning a recipe. If they're not already using brewing software, then this would be a great way to help them improve their beer. If they're already using it, then I'm sure they would love to have their software costs covered for the year. I've used Beersmith and Brewfather. Both are great, simple and easy. You can gift access codes or license keys via their website or by emailing their customer service. This might be a bit obvious, but why not just give beer? We are living in the golden age of beer. There has never, ever been this much high-quality craft beer, ever. The beer aisle has never looked this good. I've never met a homebrewer who isn't delighted to receive a bottle of beer from a new brewery that they haven't tried yet. Why not pick them up one, or 2, or 12? My final suggestion for gift ideas for the brewer in your life would be to simply ask what they want. I can pretty much guarantee that the brewer in your life has an idea of the next piece of brewing equipment that they need. Hydrometer, temperature probe, stir plate, fermenter, boil kettle, stainless steel professional grade 10-barrel system. They probably already know what they want, and they would be delighted if you got that one thing on their list. If you've got other gift ideas for homebrewers, drop them in the comments. The more ideas, the better. Cheers.